We're getting straight into the mechanics of something called Infinaut AI. We've got a set of FAQs about their intelligent automation platform, and our mission here is really to pull out the core strategy.
Right.
We want to understand how this system actually works to change operations in places like e-commerce or finance, and what, makes it different.
Well, I think what jumps out immediately is how they frame everything around two things: speed and control.
Okay.
And it's industry agnostic. So the big idea here is that they've built a system for the process of automation itself, not for one specific industry.
Which means it can scale up really fast.
Exactly. It lets any company streamline things without, hitting that wall where you just need more people.
That makes sense. And that brings us to the intelligence part of it. The sources mentioned two main components.
The agents and the LLMs.
Right. Intelligent AI agents and custom LLM solutions. The agents are described as these autonomous 147 systems that have a human-like understanding on email, Slack, the web.
And we should be clear, these are not just glorified chatbots.
Not at all.
And that second part, the custom LLM solutions, that's really where the strategic depth is. It's not just about security.
Wow.
It's that these models are fine-tuned on a business's own private data.
Okay, so it learns your specific business.
Precisely. That fine-tuning gives it incredible context. It basically turns a general AI into a company-specific expert. You get way more accuracy, and this is critical zero data leakage. Your secrets stay secret.
So you have these specialized agents, and they're powered by secure, super contextual models. The promise here is something they call end-to-end automation.
Yeah.
But doesn't that just create a huge integration nightmare? How does this plug-and-play claim deal with all that complexity?
That is the key question, isn't it? End-to-end here means it's designed to be the connective tissue for your whole organization.
Like a central hub.
Kind of, yeah. It can read and write across all your different systems without a human needing to step in.
Yeah.
It connects your CRM, it handles invoicing, it pulls real-time reports.
And the sources say it works easily with things like Salesforce, HubSpot, Slack, all the big ones.
And even Zapier for, everything else.
Okay, but that flow makes me a bit nervous.
Yeah.
If the AI is reading and writing to sensitive systems, are you just handing over the keys to the kingdom?
A very natural concern. That the trust is built on what they call a human-in-the-loop philosophy. And, of course, things like bank-level encryption.
So it's not a complete takeover.
Not at all. Think of it less like replacing a pilot and more like giving them the world's best co-pilot.
I like that analogy.
The system is designed for high autonomy, for sure. But a human always has final oversight. There are even break glass protocols for when a really tricky edge case pops up.
So a person gets flagged to jump in.
Immediately.
Okay, that clarity on control is huge.
Yeah.
So if security and complexity are handled, the next question is speed. How fast can you actually get this thing up and running?
Well, the plug-and-play part is designed for exactly that velocity. They lay out this clean 4-step journey.
Right, I saw that. It starts with discovery to map out your current workflows.
And then strategy, where they build the custom roadmap.
Then implementation is the actual deployment. And the last one is optimization.
And it's important to see those as partnership phases, not just a software install. They manage the whole process to make sure it not only launches fast, but keeps performing.
That brings us to the end of our dive.
Yeah.
So if you're listening, the two big takeaways today are this. One, sophisticated automation can be deployed incredibly quickly because of this plug-and-play design. And two, it can be highly secure thanks to those private LLMs that don't leak your data.
And I'll leave you with one final thought to mull over. The process doesn't just stop at implementation.
The optimization step.
Exactly. I want you to really consider the significance of that. What does it mean for an AI system to need continuous, ongoing refinement? How is that fundamentally different from the one-time software purchases we're all so used to?
Something to think about for your next big project. That's all for this deep dive.